Hello friends, I am Santosh Kulkarni. I have prepared some slides to get you understand about the lanthanide elements. This is my new video, a block element, that is lanthanide elements. I am giving detailed information about the properties of the lanthanide elements. So here we start. Friends, listen. I have prepared some slides for you. Chemistry of lanthanide elements, in which the elements are shown or presented in the periodic table in between the S and P block elements. Particularly in periodic table, there are 4 transition series. First transition series starts from scandium 21 to zinc 30. Second starts from yttrium 38 to cadmium 48. And below to that, lanthanide series starts from lanthanum 57 to lutetium 71. Now in this case, lanthanides are earlier called as rare earth elements. All the 14 elements are called as rare earth elements because their elements or their compounds are found to be very less in the earth crust. But the term rare earth later becomes the misnomer, as some of them, such as cerium, were abundant as copper and silver. Hence, these elements renamed as lanthanides or lanthanons in the periodic table. You can have these. The electronic configuration of the lanthanides is as usual as that of the general elements in the periodic table. In fact, the electronic configuration based on the study of emission spectra of the element. The emission spectra of the lanthanide ions are complicated. The electronic configuration have not been established with certainty. Hence, it is been suggested 2 types of electronic configuration for the lanthanides. First is ideal configuration and second is observed configuration. The ideal electronic configuration, you can find, my friends, the electronic configuration is very simple to understand. That is, for lanthanum, first element of the lanthanide, that is 57, xenon 4f0, 5d1 and 6s2. In this way, if you go and fill the electrons for the next element, the electron will go and fill in the F block or F block series, F orbital, till it acquire all the 14 electrons up to lutetium 71 without disturbing the change in 5d1 and 6s2. So this is very simple for understanding. So the general configuration we can say for the lanthanide is, and it is represented as 4Fn plus 1, 5d0, 6s2. You can see the table in the next slide. Electronic configuration is shown in both the way shortly to understand the difference between the electronic configuration. That is, lanthanum, as I told you, 57, xenon 4f0, 5d1, 6s2. Go and fill the electron of next element till lutetium acquire 4f14, 5d1, 6s2. So this is very simple for understanding. But in case of the observed configuration, we have this configuration. You can see the change in. Now in this case, you find 4f0 5d1 6s2 is same for the lanthanum, but for cerium d electron is enter into 4f. That's why the new electron of the new element, that is cerium 4f1, becomes 4f2 and remaining as 5d0 6s2. So without disturbing the series of d orbital 5d0 6s2, here you can differentiate, my friend, in ideal configuration the series is not disturbed, d series and s series is not disturbed, 5d1 and 6s2. But in case of observed configuration, 5d0 and 6s2 series is there till it acquires half field state up to europium 4f7. Up to europium 4f7. You can see, my friend, europium 4f7. But for the next element, gadolinium, you find it is 4f9, gadolinium 4f7, 5d1 and 6s2. But for the terbium, you find as the second element of cerium 4f9, 5d0, 6s2. Like that, you are going to fill the element in the f orbital till it acquires 14 electrons of ytterbium 4f14 5d0 6s2. So it is very clearly understand that electronic configuration of the lanthanide is same for the tri-positive ions and in the same on the basis of ideal and observed configuration. So therefore I am going to tell you that it is clear from the term of a block element, it should be applicable for only those elements cerium and 58 and ytterbium 70. The first element lanthanum has no electron in 4f level and the last element lutetium has completely 4f level, that is 4f14. Hence lanthanum and lutetium cannot be the member of 4f block elements, 4f series. So next property, that is the lanthanide contraction. Next property is the lanthanide contraction. So as in the periodic table there is a normal trend. As atomic number increases, atomic and ionic radii increases in a group. Similarly, in a period, atomic and ionic radii steadily decreases with increase in atomic number. This decrease in size is due to screening effect or shielding effect, and this is in the order of S is greater than P is greater than F. You can see, my friend, on my slide, that is here I mark it as this one. Okay, now let us see the graph of decreasing size of the element, particularly from lanthanum to lutetium in tri-positive oxidation state. When we plot the graph of ionic radius against atomic number, you find tri-positive lanthanide size decreases from lanthanum to lutetium steadily, but the cumulative effect is found to be 0.02 nanometer because my friend, it is highlighted here. In this case, the decrease in size from one element to other is very small, and the cumulative effect of decrease in size is approximately noted as 0.02 nanometer. 0.02 nanometer. My friends, you can see, therefore the phenomenon of the decrease in size, steady decrease in size of the atomic number with increase in phenomenon of the steady decrease in atomic size or ionic size of the lanthanide with increase in atomic number is called as lanthanide contraction. The contraction in the size of the lanthanide from one element is very small, therefore its cumulative effect is taken into consideration. The lanthanide contraction is observed in dipositive, tripositive and tetrapositive ions. The lanthanide contraction is due to the shielding effect. The shape of the 4f orbitals are such that they do not shield each other properly from the nuclear charge, and this is due to the imperfect shielding. The effective nuclear charge on the outermost electron increases with increase in the atomic number, and that's why it causes the contraction in size of the lanthanide as shown in the figure. So now here we are going to see the effect of the lanthanide contraction. First, decrease in the basicity, and second, we can have variation in properties of the lanthanide. Third, similarities between yttrium and lanthanides. So I want to highlight the similarities between yttrium and lanthanides, in which yttrium is the member of second transition series, first member of second transition series, while lanthanum is the first member of lanthanide series. It has similarities in properties as well. In the group 3, atomic and ionic radii of the element increases regularly in the order of scandium is less than yttrium is less than lanthanum. However, from cerium onwards, there is a slight but steady decrease in the size. Steady decrease in the size, my friends. So the ionic size of the holmium and erbium is same as that of yttrium. Thus, yttrium has charge and size similar to that of heavier lanthanides, and this similarity of the ionic radius coupled with the similarities and these elements in the lanthanide and pre-elements for the previous series are correlated with the similar properties, therefore they are called as chemical twins in the lanthanides. So my friends, thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you want this type of content then comment below. Thank you my friends. Thank you very much.